How to install a Soleus Air saddle window air conditioner. Carefully open the box with a utility blade or a knife. Remove the instructions and the contents on top of the air conditioner. All the parts needed are located underneath the air conditioner. Remove those next. Insert the adjustable supports into the saddle AC. Attach foam mounting blocks on the center of the windowsill to support the saddle AC. Gently slide the saddle AC over the windowsill and position it at the center of the window. Use the adjustable supports to secure the saddle AC to the outside wall, ensuring a 1/4 inch pitch downward towards the outside. Then plug in the unit, then power on. Installation is complete. The window is fully functional while the saddle AC is installed.